What's the meaning of Asian Times? Asian Times. Asian Times.
Asian Times. Asian Times. Asian Times is a news website that covers a wide range of topics related to Asia and its relationship with the rest of the world. The website provides news, analysis, and opinion pieces on various issues including politics, business, technology, culture, and sports. It also features articles on regional conflicts, trade agreements, and economic development in Asia. Overall, Asian Times is a reliable source of information for people interested in keeping up to date on the latest news and developments in Asia.